soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord.
The wind carried a scent of pine and a sense of change, as Noah trekked through the mountain, his eyes fixed on the horizon. In the heart of a smoke-choked city, a lion moved through crowded street, determined to reshape the urban chaos into something cleaner. And by the sea, Maya sketched wind turbines, her design inspired by the waves she loved. Driven by their shared mission to combat pollution, the three followed whispers from ancient knowledge that led them to a hidden forest. And the story begins like this. And after a long journey, they sat down to rest by a stream.
We have to admit that while wind, water, and solar energies are better than fossil fuels, they aren't entirely without impact. I'm concerned about the reduction and disposal of solar panels.
Exactly. Wind turbines harm birds and bats, while hydroelectric dams disrupt river ecosystems. We need to find ways to harness energy while still protecting nature.
That's right. The challenge is to find the balance. How can we maximize the benefits of these energy sources while minimizing their harms?
And suddenly, a strong wind blows, and the three deities appear. Are you seeking wisdom about harnessing my power?
In the power of me, in the power of my brother.
We have heard your concern.
Sun God, the power is truly amazing. We have been using solar panels, but we worry about the impacts of their reduction.
Solar energy is an endless gift. Focus on developing environmentally friendly solar technologies, using sustainable material and minimizing waste. Vietnam has great potential for solar energy, especially in the Center for Solar Duration.
Water God. We understand that hydroelectric power is important, but building dams has caused many issues for ecosystems.
Water is a source of life, and its power can provide energy for millions. Build dams responsibly, protecting rivers and ecosystems. Vietnam has a dense network of rivers, and the potential for hydroelectric power remains significantly if harnessed sustainably.
Wind God, power of wind is truly marvelous. We have been using wind turbines, but we are concerned about the impact on wildlife.
We need a free, independent energy source. Design smarter turbines to minimize noise and impact on wildlife. In Vietnam, the potential for wind energy is enormous, especially in coastal areas.
Thank you, Didi. We will remember your advice.
We will work hard to find sustainable solutions.
And we will continue to innovate and seek better ways to harness energy.
After the encounter with the deities, Leah, Maya, and Noah gained a clear understanding of the challenge and the opportunity of renewable energies. They commit to continuing research and developing sustainable solutions. Apply the knowledge they have learned to contribute to a green future for Vietnam and the world.
Bye bye.
Goodbye!
We share everything we make. We joke and we weave our baskets. The fishermen come back from the sea.